Example 3. 15 and 76/100ths multiplied by 9 and 8/10ths. First, we need to make sure that we multiply each digit from this number by each digit from this number. And to do that, I'm going to start by multiplying these digits by the 8. So I multiply 6 times 8, and I get 48. So I place the 8 here, and then I carry the 4. Then I multiply 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 4 is 60. So I place a 0 here, and I carry the 6. 5 times 8 is 40, plus the 6 gives me 46. So I place 6 here and carry the 4. And then after that, I need to multiply 1 times 8. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 4 is 12. On the next line, I need to place a 0 as a placeholder, and then I'm going to erase this work, and then I'm going to change colors. I'm finished multiplying the digits by 8. Now I need to multiply these top digits by the 9. 6 times 9 is 54, so I place a 4 here, and I carry the 5. 7 times 9 is 63, plus 5 is 68. So I place the 8 here and carry the 6. So I just finished that multiplication. Now I need to multiply 5 times 9, which is 45, plus 6 is 51. So I place the 1 here, carry the 5. Then I multiply 1 times 9, and I get 9. Add the 5, and that gives me 14. Then I need to find the sum. So I add 8 and 0, and I get 8. 0 and 4, and I get 4. 6 and 8 gives me 14, so I place a 4 here and carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus another 1 is 4. 1 and 4 gives us 5. And then 1 and nothing gives us 1. Now we can't forget to place the decimal. So I'm going to grab the eraser again, and then I'm going to count the number of decimals. In this first number, there are 2 digits after the decimal, so there are 2 decimal places. In this number, there is 1 digit after the decimal, so this number has 1 decimal place. Together, that totals 3 decimal places. I take this 3, and I'm going to start the decimal where it always begins, on the far right, and then I'm going to move the decimal 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, and I place an arrow for where the decimal ends up. The decimal ends up between the 4 and the 4. So when I go to retype it, I'm going to make this a little bit larger, the font, and I'll type 154.448 because the decimal ended up between the 2 4s. And then I'll grab this, the rectangle tool, and show that that's my answer. And I'm going to think about if this makes sense. So 9.8 is about 10. So 15 times 10 is 150. So if I got somewhere around 150, which I did, that answer makes sense.